Welcome back. In this video, you are going to learn about dashboard filters in Snowflake. The first thing that you should remember is that in order to apply filter, you need to have a worksheet. So to add a worksheet, we are going to add a new tile, and inside this worksheet, I am going to once again select the sample data database, and from that I am going to select the orders table. I am going to write the query, select O underscore clerk, and then I am going to calculate the sum of total price of all the orders, where order date is equal to, and then after equal to I am going to apply a colon, and once I click on enter I am going to be provided with by order date filter. And once I click on the order date filter, you will see that on the top left corner a new tab will appear with the date filter, and from that range of dates you can select any date for the filter that you want. After that, I am going to group my data on the basis of O underscore clerk, and I am going to order it by 2 in the descending order. So once I execute it, I got the data with this sample group by statement where I am actually calculating the total price for each clerk. Now let me choose a chart. So I selected a scattered chart and I am going to add this to my dashboard. So just by going back to my dashboard, it adds this chart automatically to the dashboard. And on the top left corner, you can still see the filter. And if you select a different value from this date filter and click on apply, the chart will change automatically according to the new filter date, and the data will now correspond to the date that we selected from the filter. So this is how you can apply filters to your query in Snowflake and display it on the dashboard. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.